Both legs, okay. The other one. Wow. Okay, the other leg. Wow. It's okay, yeah. Just have to keep practicing. Well done. It's real, of course it's real.
Oh, what's the turtle doing all the way here?
I don't know. Should we bring it to the water?
You are willing to touch it?
Yeah, why not?
You can
If
carry
it's
it.
helping it. You
Okay.
think it's stuck?
No, it's not.
It's not stuck, Should we continue?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go, guys.
It's staring at me.
I'm so sorry.
Turtle looks like
Okay, let's go, guys.
sad.
Too tiring.
Video again.
Okay. There's Benjamin. Let me overtake him. Huh?
Take the down Show my shoe walking.
Okay,
Okay, stop.
that's Clifford. And Dong. Leading. Now Ben trying to overtake. Our first hike. Machritchie Nature Trail. Going to the treetop walk. Our princess is having stitches. But she's no. Let's go, I'll take it. Overtake, overtake, go, go, go. Yeah. No, faster overtake me. Hurry up. Good job, Chloe.
Why the boys all running?
You want to go faster? Chloe,
Yeah.
are you enjoying your hike?
Yeah.
Can you say hi to your friends?
Hi.
I thought you want me to upload on your Instagram.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to say hi to your followers?
Hi.
That's all. Are you tired?
No.
Not tired, so strong.
Yeah, is it scary?
Scary. What is so scary about Machritchie? Huh?
You see that one?
Ah, the sound. The sound from the insects
And the rock also.
and the rocks. Okay. It's okay, we're easier. Go catch up your brothers. Good. Nice. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on, man.
Oh, guys, the girls there.
Clifford. Come on.
Hi, guys.
Good job. Good job, Clifford. Well done.
It's easier to walk that way.
When we said, very easier, very easier.
Where was that and she thought,
No more monkeys, huh? You go in front. Good job, Chloe. Don't have already. Very good, Chloe. Very good. Well done. No, way ahead.
what is it, bounce up?
Yeah. It's okay, it's okay. Calm down, Chloe. It's okay.
To be like that guy, but it's gonna be much more.
Good job, guys. Well done. And the kids on the treetop. Ooh, nice. It's Ben blocking the rest. The top of the Jelutong Tower, Chloe, Clifford, Ben, Dom. So we managed to do about 7.3 kilometers. Covered the treetop walk. Well done, guys.
I'm only tired at the start, I'm not tired now.
So we'll be about 10, 11 kilometers by the time we're done.
Time 2 hours.